Hey everyone, so this is like a new setup for me. So my friend's been asking me to do unboxing for my new keyboard. I got myself a KeyChron K8 and it reads there TKL mechanical keyboard, a tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. And you know me, I'm all about productivity. So let's do this, but I'm gonna need to like set things up first. Okay, so there's one camera there, yep, and there's my phone over there. So let's see. First and foremost, let's get rid of the plastic. Yeah, careful when using cutters, always point away. So yeah, that's the front of the box, that's the back of the box. Let me just do a quick read. TKL layout, using the most popular keyboard layout in the market. K8 meets the needs of most people. I'm not going to read everything. Basically, I'll just read the title. Do a compatibility, wireless and wired, pair up to 3 devices. I can see there it's either your computer, your tablet, your phone. That's brilliant. Battery life and light effects. So one thing I know about the KeyChron K8, it is wired and wireless, and that is really amazing because I can just use the keyboard on my bed and do stuff on the computer, or if I need a bit more performance, I'll just plug it in. Brilliant. Here we go. Woohoo! Oh, that's just so brilliant. And it has this sponge thingy for packaging. Oh, let me flip this and read. If you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow the instructions below to find and replace the following caps. Thank you for the instructions, and there's a bunch of things at the back. Yep, let me just show that to you. That's what it is. And that's what it is. So let me just kind of quickly read this. Please be gentle and make sure to align the pins with the socket properly. KeyChron. Yep. Woohoo. Okay, so what's in the box? Quite a solid keyboard. KeyChron. Taking it out. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Taking it off. I like it because to make sure that it doesn't get ruined, yeah, they have this plastic covering on top. I mean, presentation wise, this is amazing. Alright, so that's a KeyChron. Okay, this is not the full keyboard, doesn't have the numpad. Oh, that's brilliant. KeyChron K8 Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. Instructions. What else is in the box? Of course, the padding is great. Let me just take the stuff out and take this box out and just leave this here like this. That's the KeyChron, and here is what you get. So this is the tool. Can you? Yep. So this is the tool that's gonna do, what do you call this? Pull out the keys. Of course, the wired option. If you want to go Bluetooth, you got wires. Really nice fabric. And these are the keys for the Windows. So I'm gonna convert this to Windows, I guess. Or do I need to? Maybe not. I mean, how difficult is it to just recognize? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that is my setup. Basically, the keyboard, replacement keys, the tool, and the cable. So let's see and try pulling out one of the keys and see if I can do it. Seriously, I'm looking through the booklet, trying to find out how to pull out keys. I've seen it done before, people using the tool, but I actually don't know how. So it's my first KeyChron, by the way. I've never used, felt, or even owned one. This is my first KeyChron. Thank you to getm for actually getting me this keyboard. getm's been bringing in a bunch of these keyboards. I'm pretty much happy with it. The box is all well. It arrived in good condition. Everything seems to be in order, and without getm, don't think I would have gotten myself a keyboard. So yeah, thank you again. If you ever need, okay, it's on the screen. That is his handle. Follow them, like getm, and just see if you have anything that you like. You can just go browse their Instagram. Also, they do have their app, so you can just go to that and just buy from them directly. How do you pull this out? Okay, I think I kind of figured it out, so let's do this. And that's out. Option also is out. Escape is good. I'll leave that on. Option on this side is out, and this one button is out. So there. Now time to replace them. What else is there? What? Time to change to the new keys. Escape. That's the Windows button. Yeah. I'm a bit worried I'll break it. Okay. Feels a bit loose. Maybe I didn't put them in properly. These are the leftover ones. This might look cute if I just replace this one. Yay! And let's just have my corners orange. Ta-da! Alright, that's nice. Keys, extra keys, goes back in the bag. KeyChron. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is my short, sweet unboxing. So probably just gonna start using this tonight, and I'll probably share some tasty photos for you, or videos actually, for that matter. Again, my name is Denny. This has been a My Brunei weekend unboxing of my new keyboard, KeyChron 8. And yes, it doesn't have a numpad, that's okay. Till next time, enjoy. This is my KeyChron.